The easiest way to access data inside a NetCDF file is using Panoply. You can search for Panoply or follow the link in the description. Panoply is available for Mac, for Linux, or for Windows. Download Panoply and extract the contents of the zip file to wherever you like. Open this folder and you'll see the Panoply application. You don't need to install anything, just double-click. You might get a warning message like this, but in Windows you can bypass this, like this. When Panoply launches, you'll be prompted to select your NetCDF file. On the right-hand panel is information about the contents of the file. You'll see the dimensions and the variables, as well as variable attributes and global attributes, the metadata. If you're not familiar with NetCDF files, I've put a link in the description to another video where I introduce you to them. On the left-hand panel is a list of variables. I'll right-click the temp variable and select Create Plot. You can see a plot of how seawater temperature varies with increasing pressure. You can also access the data values by selecting the Array tab. To export these data, go back to the main window. Right-click on the variable again and select Export CSV. Save it wherever you like. Now, let's open up Excel. Load in the CSV by going to the Data tab and from Text CSV. Find your CSV file and load it. This 1D data array is now stored in a single row, but we can't see our pressure values, so let's go back to Panoply. On the right-hand panel, we can see that the temp variable has a dimension of press for pressure. We can export data from a press variable with the same name in the same way, and then load them into Excel. The values have been plotted on a new sheet. Let's copy our pressure values. Go to a blank sheet and select Paste Transpose to paste them as a column. Finally, let's do the same for our temperature values. And now we have our pressure values and our temperature values side by side.